Animal rights groups are calling for animal welfare to be protected by Taiwan's constitution.
They appeal to lawmakers for a clause that legally defines animals as sentient beings. Stephany Yang has the story.
Taiwan has a handful of laws that pertain to protecting animals, but activists say their effectiveness is limited.
我们现在一般来讲的话，动保人最常遇到的困惑。
Generally speaking, the most common problem encountered when you're trying to protect animals is that our Civic Code treats animals as an object. When the law is handling cases involving animals, animals are treated as things, as a property of humans. So the law causes harm to animals. Right now, we need to reframe the entire animal-human relationship.
Animal rights groups are pushing for animal protection to be guaranteed by the highest law of the land, the Constitution. They advocate for a new clause that defines animals as sentient beings. They hope the clause will state that the dignity of animals should be respected and that laws should be created to prevent their unnecessary suffering.
Animals, have been shown to show empathy within mammals, and also many countries know them as sentient beings, meaning they are not just a product, which is what Taiwan determines them right now in the law. So we hope that this time that animal protection can be included in the Constitution, and I think it will help very much within the animal protection movement.
Their call has gotten a response from members across 4 political parties. At the news conference, several lawmakers expressed support for adding animal protection to the Constitution.
今天其实我们的一个主题是动物保护路线。
Today, the theme of our message is introducing animal protection into the Constitution. We're now heading into a very important moment for constitutional reform. If we can take advantage of that moment to introduce the very important concept of animal protection into the Constitution, Taiwan society would be taking a very important step forward. The next thing for us to do is to discuss the wording of the amendment and how it should be drafted. We will also start communication with party caucuses.
Taiwan People's Party legislator Cai Biru said that protecting the welfare of animals does the double duty of protecting public health.
那动物的健康跟福利是跟人类生物事实上是息息相关的。
The health and welfare of animals are closely linked to those of humans. 3/10 of all epidemics can be traced to a virus that jumped from animals to humans or vice versa. So animal rights protection is actually the front line of epidemic prevention.
Lawmakers and activists say they'll strive to make animal rights a priority in upcoming rounds of constitutional reform. They hope that by raising animals to the constitutional level, Taiwan will make better progress toward protecting their welfare. Formosa News, Stephany Yang, Wang Wei-chi in Taipei.